What is happening, guys? Bob here, Rides Auto Sales. Got a lot of people asking for a video of this beautiful 68 Continental sitting on the showroom floor in Bismarck, North Dakota. Make sure you read through this description, guys. A lot of love, sweat, and tears have went into this car. This is one of my good buddies' cars. Very, very well taken care of. It broke my heart when he said he wanted to sell it to me, but makes me happy to be able to present it to you. Take a look at those pictures. Right now I have the hood up. Hood lines up great. I hate touching black paint, so I'm not going to close this hood. Look at all the pictures. Everything lines up great. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Right now I'm just going to give you a little walk around, let you see that the air ride system does work flawlessly. Got my buddy Trevor behind the wheel of this beautiful machine. Let me get out of the range of these windows so we can get a little bit better light on this thing. There we go, that's looking better. So I'm gonna have Trevor just go ahead and do his thing. Let's pull it up, Trevor. As you can see, up, no problem. We'll go ahead and put it back down. Nope. You're good, buddy. You got it. So the little indents, just hold them in. That way everybody gets to see how much pressure those tanks can hold as we just play with it here going up and down. You feel the little recess with your fingers? Yeah, there you go. There you are. Beautiful. Thank you, sir. You're a good man. As you can see, air ride works flawlessly. Up and down multiple times. It is quick. It is responsive. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this hood open so I can show you guys engine bay here real quick. Oh, you want to jump in and start it for me since you just got out?
Yeah, I can do that.
Guy hates me right now. Aluminum headed 460, read through the description. A lot of love went into this engine as well, guys. Aluminum headed 460. Beautiful, there you go. Give me a little rev from the back. One more. Beautiful, you're good. Thanks, bud. No more this time, I promise. You the best. As you can see, all cool kinds of little touches all over this car, guys. You got, you know, spark plug holders, little Lincoln emblems everywhere. Nice intake, brand new Elbrock ABS carb, ABS 2 actually. Aluminum performer intake, aluminum heads as well. Engine bay is super nice. Nice custom shrouds. You know, you look inside of any other 460, you're gonna see all kinds of vacuum lines that have been covered up very nicely by, you know, the custom shrouds that were added on this thing. Beautiful, beautiful touches added to the engine bay. AC, blow it's cold, all heat works. If you're wondering why the rear doors are propped open, so this is actually a little showpiece that he custom made as well. They latch into there and then latch into here, so it kills all the interior lights. We'll go ahead and pop this open, show you this interior here real quick. I'm gonna work it backwards. Usually I show you the exterior of the car, but this interior is beautiful. Take a peek at that. All very, very nice. Seats are beautiful. I mean, the back seats look like they've never been sat on before. Rear packing tray, absolutely gorgeous. All carpets are nice and clean, no rips, tears, stains anywhere on this thing. Everything works as it should, right down to electric fly windows. Those things work. Custom striped wheel that looks absolutely beautiful also. I'll jump on in here, give you a little accessory power. Dakota digital gauges. You got the addition of some red LED lights underneath. Check out this thing. This is pretty cool too. Got a nice little ambient blue map light for you. That looks gorgeous. I like it. Airlift performance kit, handheld. Cool thing about Airlift Performance is you can also download the app and you can control these bags from your phone anywhere that Bluetooth is going to reach it. So you don't need this handheld controller. That is super cool. I like that as well. As you can see, full-on custom stereo on this thing as well, powered by, you can link anything Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth marine audio system. Right now, you know, we got a iPad in here that will run, you know, just about anything you want to run. Full JL components all the way around, JL subs in the rear as well. Very, very nicely done. This guy works for a local audio shop here in town, and he did a very, very good job with it. As you can see, dash looks absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and kill accessory power here for you. LED lights all the way through on this thing. Headliner, let me jump out, show you this headliner. This is absolutely beautiful also. All nice and tight and clean. As I said, all kinds of little Easter eggs here and there. Lincoln emblems in the cup holders. Embroidered Lincoln into door panels. Dash pad is beautiful. You got the little Lincoln jobbies for your lockers as well. Go ahead and pop this trunk here real quick. One quick second. You have to set you guys down so I don't mess up this black paint. Can you still hear me? Like I said, I absolutely hate touching black paint. I know a lot of people love touching black paint. Underneath, you're gonna see a nice mirrored image, Lincoln emblem. Custom stripes done by, once again, one of my buddies, Mr. Barth. Brandon's really good. He knows what he's doing. He is a good dude. Lincoln stripe custom tanks, airlift performance all the way around. ViAir, as you can see. We also got some money for you in here. It's not real, but you can try and spend it if you want. JL subs. Those subs are powered by a JL amp. 5-channel 1000 watt amp. You know, the really cool thing is the guy that did a lot of this work on this car just walked in, Mr. Joe Berquist. I love this guy. We'll go ahead and pull this bad boy down, show you the exterior of the car here real quick. Brand new trunk seals, and I hate touching black paint, but I had to do it. Go ahead and cruise down. Driver's side for you here real quick. You're gonna see smooth contours, crisp lines all the way through. If there's one thing I can pick out on this car, it is this right here. I'm guessing somebody probably walked by when they were filling gas and pulled it. One thing I can pick out on this car. Wheels, tires are all brand new. He did these as well. Take a look through the description as well. Read all the specs on this thing. This guy poured his heart and soul into these. How many miles on these?
Less than 200.
Less than 200 miles on the wheels and tires. Electric antenna. Go ahead and close this door so you can hear how solid it is. Nice and solid. Once again, smooth contours, crisp lines. Panel gaps line up great from door to fender all the way around. Probably line up better than they did from factory.
All the rockers have been filled with rust preventer.
All rockers have been filled with rust preventer. Oh, I completely forgot about the satin black Continental door sill plates. Super cool touch. Like I said, all kinds of little Easter eggs all over this thing. He put a lot of time and money into this bad boy. This thing came to him with halo headlights. He didn't like the front end the way that it looked, so you know, he gave it that traditional 68 look up front, and definitely did it justice. Looks great. I couldn't pry myself to put my rides plates on the front, so I left the Lincoln plate up front. I think it looks super cool. Also cruising down passenger side, once again, nothing but smooth contours, crisp lines. Body lines line up once again great from panel to panel all the way around. Custom striping once again by my buddy Mr. Barth. Once again, take a look at all of those pictures, guys. Every panel gap on this car lines up phenomenal. Oh, custom exhaust was just done about 100 miles ago by by another Barth, Brandon's dad. He runs Penny's Muffler here in town, running a set of 2.5 inch to a set of custom tips. As you can hear, as you heard, it sounded incredible. I am about 11 minutes on this thing. Most of my videos run about 7 minutes. You can tell there is a very special connection with this car, and I absolutely love it. It is phenomenal. Guys, if you're looking for a 68 Continental that is gonna outshine any other one on the road, you found your car, and at a very, very good price. He's dumped so much money into this thing. Oh, this is also running an AccuLevel system. It's not just pressure per bag. It runs completely level, so if you're driving on an incline, it feels, you know, like it's kicked to the side. The car will actually self level itself out. Super cool. I love this car so much. Once again, Bob, Rides Auto Sales, Bismarck, North Dakota, guys. Take a look through all those pictures. This thing looks absolutely beautiful in picture and video. It really does it absolutely no justice. Name, email address, phone number will be directly below this video. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, as I would love to help you with your next purchase and help you drive your dream. I'm also a registered transporter. I can get this thing to your front door. Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.